Hello Cryptos, it's Hedgeinveast and CrypToday, and today is 5th of April, and we're talking about the waves again. And my previous issue about this subject with the charts of the waves, we have idea that maybe it was a good time for correction of the waves, and the price in that time was approximately 52 for one token against US dollar. And currently we can see that the prices is going down, and they are 37.61, and it's quite a dramatical correction, which is quite seriously that involved in the normal logic of this jump which we had in the WAVES tokens during the last little bit more than 1 month. And we can see it on the daily charts. We can see that it was a very good signal to buy, and after that we have the good correction, and currently we see that today the prices is going lower than 21-day moving average, and the size of this correction is quite serious because the jump was starting from approximately $12 and the highest prices were on the level $62, so the size of the jump was $50. It's approximately 500%, 400% maybe for 50. And after that we have seen the correction, which is currently very close to $25. So we see that it's approximately the 50% correction of the size of the jump. And this diffusion were quite strong, and in many cases it was very classical from the economic physics viewpoint. So in this case we can say that the situation is quite typical. In this connection, it's becoming interesting what will happen if during this time we have tried to trade the trend following but short sell system. And just a second, okay, we not it, and here, oh yeah, okay, we just need to take the other time frames. So what will happen if we will try to use this trading system to trade short in these tokens? So I have built the special trading system, which is approximately the same as it was for the long-term, for the long positions opening, and just take a brief look for the results of this trading system. So it's a chart, and we can see the signals on this chart, and we see that it was a lot of short silence signals, and just the last maybe 1-2 hours we have some kind of the small short-term correction. And in this connection, those positions which were opened before that, they are not certainly closing exactly on these green signals because they are closing a little bit before that. And I have the such as stop losses here, such as the take profits methodology. But we are interested in the subject mostly because I'm not trying to sell you this the methodology. It's just the educational tasks, and in this connection I just trying to give you a little bit information for the for your opinions, for your understanding of my principles of the researchers. So we can see here the backtest results for the profits. So here we will have 50.3% of the profitable deals. We will have maximum loss from one deal in 6%. The average profit from the profitable deal will be 0.4%, and the total profit will be 67%. It's a total results of the sum of all profits. But it doesn't mean that you will receive such a profit for invested capital. So it's a big difference, because you see that this methodology is based on the big number of the deals which are closing according with the system of the profits taken and stop losses. And this connection, you see that some of the positions will be closed, for example, here on this correction for the downside move, and after that a lot of position in opening. And for example, if you will distribute your capital by investing just 5% position, 5% of your total capital in each deal, in each signal. So the signal is coming, the next one coming, 5% plus 5% plus 5% plus 5% and so on. So if you will have such a distribution of your investments, you will have much more deals. And in this connection, certainly the total results for your proprietary capital will be not so big as the 78%. So in this connection, 78 is, in many cases, it's like something like the maximum return which you can receive. From another side, if you are so risky that you are using the leverage, the strong leverage, the 5 size leverage, for example, it will mean that you can make even bigger profits from usage of this strategy. But I will not recommend you to do it, because you see that the situations will be difficult because you see that the currently the signals for opening short positions are working perfectly, but before that the strategies on the buying position signals were working profitably and with the good performance. But currently, certainly the long positions will have losses, and this connection, it's certainly highly necessary to be very attentive about it. And the money management is the main subject of the trading on any markets, and exactly on the crypto markets. So this is the situation with the waves. And we also need to take a look for the WX WX. It's a waves exchange in the US dollars. And we can also find that, but here it's certainly reasonable to take a look for the longer term performance, and we can find that it was also excellent move after our previous research, and this move were almost to 1.91, and after that it's a strong correction have started. And for example, the move have started from 130 and 191. It's approximately 50%, little bit less than 50%, very close to 50%. And after that, we have correction in the 30 points. So this not 30 currently. It's just the 22. But anyway, it was quite a good correction also. So in this case, those jumps and diffusions on those markets are a highly important process, and in this connection, certainly we need to be very attentive about the exit points. After, when we have not such strong jumps, we maybe not so highly necessary to have special exist from our positions, but we have such jumps, we certainly need to be much more attentive to close our positions. And these signals for short sell on the short-term periods are highly important. Maybe certainly if we are trading daily charts, daily signals, it's unnecessary for us to have the exist on the so short periods of time as 15 minutes, but maybe 1 hour will be exactly what we need, or maybe 2 hours or something like that. It certainly depends from your strategy and from your views, your preferences, from your individual style of trading. But anyway, it seems that it's reasonable. So this is an information which I want to talk to you about. In this connection, now I will try to make analysis for the short-term performance, such for long-term performance. For long positions, such for short positions. And I'm happy that my methodology was improved. But I need to say that, for example, for long-term position, the same trading strategy were very close to zero results during the same period of time. So in this case, the compounded results of the short sell and long buying stay positive for the waves after that. So it was information for you. I hope to see in my channel. I have not your comments, but I hope that they will be, I will receive them sooner or later. But anyway, thanks a lot for your likes, and have a good day, have a good time, and have a good result from your trading. Thank you very much. Bye bye.